Hey there, friends. Today we're learning how to wash our hands properly. Ready to get started? First, rinse your hands with water. Grab some soap and lather up. Don't forget to scrub everywhere, fronts, backs, and in between those little fingers. But wait, if we don't wash our hands properly, those pesky germs can jump everywhere, and they love making us sick. Look out! Sneezes and sniffles can happen if we let those germs win. Let's make sure that doesn't happen. Let's wash those hands again. Remember, wash for at least 20 seconds. Now your hands are squeaky clean. Let's keep those germs away. If you enjoyed learning with us, don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep having fun while learning. See you next time.